all, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So आज का vlog के बारे में तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि किस related है, like title और thumbnail देख के, and also my attire says it all. But there is one addition in my vlog as well as my intro video today, and he is my better half, my husband, Kaustubh.
Hi everybody, welcome to my wife's channel.
Okay.
Hope all are doing good.
So basically, Kaustubh is a merchant navy officer, and he has landed India like from Japan yesterday only. So it was a very happy moment for all of us because today is Gudi Padwa and also my son's half birthday. He's 6 months old today, exactly on the Gudi Padwa day. So that is a very happy occasion for us. So yeah, obviously, so everyone in the family was too happy to have Kaustubh here because in his profession, sign off and sign-ons are too unpredictable. We can't just predict when he will come and when he will go. So it was a very pretty good moment, yeah. And talking about Gudi Padwa, I'm not going to explain much because everyone knows about Gudi Padwa and there's lots of information on the internet as well. But I'm just going to say one line that Gudi Padwa marks the significance of the start of the year in a Maharashtrian culture. Like in Maharashtrian calendar, New Year begins from Gudi Padwa. So this is the significance of Gudi Padwa. So yeah, so let's get started. I hope you enjoy the vlog, and if you do enjoy, please like, comment, and subscribe and keep supporting. Yeah.
Please don't forget to share.
Oh yeah, share also. So let's get started. Prep started a evening before the Gudi Padwa day. So I started purchasing the puja essentials, sakhar kathi, then betel leaves, then mango and neem leaves, then few flowers. Purchased everything for the next day. There was lot of rush, like सब लोग ना जैसे एग्जाम के पहले जो पढ़ने वाले होते हैं ना, कल एग्जाम है और आज पढ़ रहे ऐसे एकदम मुश्किल से, वैसे वाले लोग थे शायद मेरे जैसे, जो कल फेस्टिवल है और आज शाम को इतनी भीड़ लगा के, माय गॉड, आई वाज जस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग टू गेट माय स्टफ्स फ्रॉम दैट लेडी. आई वाज shouting and screaming but still no one was responding. I was getting stressed, and but later somehow I managed to get these stuffs, and then we left, and then we went in a shop to buy dozens of mangoes for making amras, and then we went in a waffle shop to buy a waffle for Kyra. So ideally this is a day before Padwa. Padwa kal hai. But as you guys might have knowing that every Maharashtrian family में almost every festival पूरन पोड़ी से चालू होती है और पूरन पोड़ी पे ही खत्म होती है. सो कल इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी बिग डे. लाइक हमारे सोसाइटी में बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा फंक्शन होता है पाड़वा का. It starts like almost from 7 a.m. and afternoon तक चलता है. So बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी. I will make sure that I will show you many of those things. So इसीलिए कल it is going to be a very hectic day. So आज ही हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बट थोड़ी बहुत पूरन पोड़ी की जितने भी प्रिपरेशंस है वो हम लोग कर रहे हैं. एंड ये मेरे मम्मी ने बनाया है. दिस इज पूरन, और इसकी हम लोग कल पूरन पोड़ी बनाने वाले हैं. दिस इज सो टेम्पटिंग गाइस, बट आई जस्ट कांट टेस्ट इट बिकॉज सुबह ही हम लोग को नैवेद्य पहले दिखाना है एंड देन वी कैन टेस्ट इट. सो शी इज माय मॉम एंड बहुत ही टेस्टी पूरन पोड़ी बनाती है. सो देयर इज ओनली 2 लेडीज जिनकी पूरन पोड़ी मैं खा सकती हूँ, लाइक विदाउट एनी दिस. One is my mom and the other one is my mother-in-law. Like ये दोनों जब पूरन पोड़ी बनाते हैं, that is the only time I can eat पूरन पोड़ी. मैं किसी और के हाथ की पूरन पोड़ी खा ही नहीं सकती. They make like just wow पूरन पोड़ी. Okay, so this is the masala for the saag. So I will just grind and keep this today and then tomorrow we will just make the sar. So ये इतना ही ब्लैक काला करना पड़ता है तो ही उसका टेस्ट अच्छे से आता है. So obviously the first thing we did was the auspicious Gudi Puja. बेसिकली हमने एक्चुअल में गुड़ी नहीं उभारी थी बिकॉज I stay in a rented apartment as of now and there wasn't any convenient space for that. Also हमारे फार्म हाउस पे my mother-in-law ने already गुड़ी उभारी थी, so she said that it's okay if you don't do it. So we did a normal Gudi Puja on that particular day. I was so happy to see a complete family in a frame. So finally the aarti was completed and the next thing we did is went downstairs. After the legendary Nasik dole, which gave literal goosebumps and shivers in the body, came the Legim gang. The ladies were so energetic and so enthusiastic with so beautiful and vibrant outfits. I was seriously amazed to see all of them, right from children to adults to senior citizens. Everyone was downstairs that day and सब अपने अपने टैलेंट के साथ अपने अपने कंफर्ट जोन में एंजॉय कर रहे थे. सबका अपना अपना कुछ एक टैलेंट था. कोई भजन कीर्तन में था, पीछे कोई डांस कर रहा है, कोई लेजिम में है, कोई बस विटनेस कर रहा है ये सारी ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ें. children were all set for their various performances.
कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूले तु गोविन्दं प्रभाते करदर्शनम् समुद्रवसने देवी पर्वतस्तनमण्डलम्.
तो ये राम जी का रथ था जिसमें कृष्णा राधा भी थे एंड राधा वाज माय डॉटर कायरा. सो ये रथ मंदिर तक था फ्रॉम द एंट्री. She was sitting inside the rath. Was having puran poli with amras and sar bhat. How is it, Kaustu?
Yummy. Very nice.
Love it.
Yes.
So immediately आने के बाद पाव भाजी then puran poli सब चल रहा है मजा मस्त.
Feeling blessed.
So later that evening, we had a short and sweet birthday celebration for Krishiv. He turned exactly 6 months on the day of Gudi Padwa. So let's end the day with an ice cream on a very sweet note. The day was very hectic and Krishiv is also very like cranky now, and the day was too hectic for me. The outfits were like too much. Okay guys, just keep watching my videos. Please like, comment and subscribe and keep supporting. See ya. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Bye.